I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to restart your Google Pixel phone or tablet. Finding your Google Pixel a bit sluggish or running into minor glitches? Sometimes a quick restart is all it takes to refresh your device and solve these pesky issues. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to restart your Google Pixel. Whether you're new to the Pixel family or just need a quick refresher on the basics, this tutorial is for you. Restarting your Google Pixel phone or tablet can help improve performance, address issues, and clear temporary files. Now let's walk through the steps to restart your Google Pixel phone or tablet. Step 1. Swipe down from the top of your Google Pixel screen. The Quick Settings screen opens. Step 2. Tap the power button at the bottom of this screen. A menu pops up with power options for your Android device. Step 3. Tap Restart. Your Google Pixel device will restart immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.